Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first what you have to do is to hold down power key and just hold it until device turns off. Just hold it until the screen goes off, and then you have to quickly release it and hold down volume down like this. Let's try it once again. So I hold down power key until the phone turns off, and then I release it and hold down volume down. And that's how you can enter boot mode. So here at the boot mode, using volume keys you can navigate, and you have such options as reboot to recovery, power down, reboot, reboot to bootloader, reboot to download, and that's it. And using power key you can select. So to exit this mode, just select an option reboot and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.